This is also very nice today on the 21st of March 2025. We have Unikkotie Valmovägen 3 staircase D here in Pukinmäki, Helsinki, Helsingfors was money as well. This is weird.
Yeah.
And the bottom is like inside of it.
Yeah.
In the shell here.
Yeah.
It was also built in 1990, finished in late 1990. Best is 4 also 25 rooms. 6 floors here. This number is 66330. Best is 4 also 25 rooms. I like the sunset smell here, and
Same.
these doors are beautiful but wooden ones. A bit rare for this type.
Yeah.
But they can put a bit wooden as well.
Yeah. Iskut itpaakin vaan iskuttanut meitä eteenpäin Kone.
You can watch the staircase is A, B, and C here, and only the staircase is E and F left now. They're all accessible.
That's